Kia Soul EV gets larger battery, improved range for NUMI. The electric version of the Kia Soul has entered its fourth year in the market, and changes made to it are quite considerable. Quoting a document posted by EPA, InsideEVs states that the 2018 Kia Soul EV has a new 30 kWh battery that replaces the old 27 kWh version. The extra 3 kWh allow it to travel up to 111 miles, 179 kilometers, on a single charge, or 18 miles, 29 kilometers, longer than before, which bumps its combined MPG to 108 from 105. Its range may not be as impressive as the Chevrolet Bolt's 238 miles, 383 kilometers, but is believed to help Kia sell more examples of the zero-emission Soul. Previously available from an MSRP of $32,250, the Kia Soul EV has become a tad more expensive for the 2018 Mi, as it can be at from $33,950. As confirmed by the car mark's official USA website. Opt for the 2018 Kia Soul EV Plus, though, with its extensive list of features, including leather-trimmed seats, park assist, and others, and get ready to pay at least $35,950.